Seedance 2.0.
He was a good man! He knew too much about our Russia operations. You think you're in control? Control? You're not.
In this video, I will show you how to use Seedance 2.0 free of charge using this website on the screen here. You just use to go to the website and also use a VPN to convert your location to Hong Kong. That's the way we can make use of this website. So once you convert to Hong Kong, you can easily access the website without any issue, without even logging in at all. Then next thing is to go back to this AI section where it shows Seedance 2.0. Click on it. Here you can actually choose what version you want, which is Seed Dream 4.5. You can set up those works here. Very nice and good. So you can choose this. Then you can also choose whether you to attach like a source image or video. Then you can also pick what aspect ratio you want to use. I guess it's 9.6 here. 9.6 basically. 9.16 rather. So I can post my prompt here and click on enter. And there's a lot of traffic on the website currently, so it's taking, in fact, probably even give me an error, but try again this time around and I'll run it one more time. And here it's telling me, it's giving me some Chinese writing or something. So let's check what that means. Okay, actually means it's going to take about 3 hours or so to render the video. So I mean, got so much traffic on the website. But yeah, the video is done now, and this is the outcome. You can download the video here, or instead let's watch it in full screen. This is last video.
The game is over.